Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to embed your Google virtual tour onto your Facebook business page in a few easy to follow steps. First, make sure you're logged into the account that is associated with the page that you want to embed the virtual tour on. And then when you're on Facebook page, search static HTML Thunderpenny. Here it is. And then you will come to this page. On the left-hand side, you will find the option Use App. Click on it. You will come to this page. And then you just have to click on the green button and continue to the next step. On the drop-down menu, select the Facebook page that you want to embed the virtual tour on. In this case, we're using this as an example. Continue, add page tab. Now you'll see an additional tab created on your Facebook page. Here it is, static HTML. Now you just have to find the embedding code for your virtual tour on Google Maps and then paste it over here. Here is how you do it. You go to Google Maps, this is a listing, scroll down, 360 view. Now you just have to find an angle that best represents your restaurant or business. Usually I do the entrance of a business. For example, we can do here. Just let it load. Now you just have to click on the three dots, go to this option, choose embed map, copy this iframe code, you go back to this page, continue with this button setup tab, and then you just have to copy and paste the code that we just got from the Google Map over here. Preview. Looks like we can adjust the size of this display a little bit just to make it fit the screen. We can try 1000 for example, and the height we can make 600. Let's see how it looks like. There is your virtual tour. Looks good. Save and publish. Now we can view it on Facebook. There's your virtual tour embedded on the Facebook page. Now we just have to change the name of this tab in the settings. Continue to templates and tabs. You can name whatever you think is appropriate. Over here, let's try See Inside, for example. Save, okay. Don't forget to hit save as well. Over here, if you refresh, now you see it over here. Now we just have to see how it looks like on your Facebook page. If you scroll down, here is a tab. Remember, you can also adjust how the tabs are made in order by going to the previous page in settings, templates and tabs to adjust the order. Here's your virtual tour embedded on Facebook page. Now, thanks for watching. I hope it helped. Let me know in a comment if you have any questions. I'll be glad to help. Thank you.